Alright, this is our Madlib code along. This is going to be the HTML portion. So again, I think it's easier to start with the HTML. So we're going to make a Madlib horizontal rule. Pick out what they want, put some input boxes for people, and then be able to hit Madlib and it fill in. Now, as you learn JavaScript, you'll be able to actually make this website do what we're talking about. But for now, it's just going to show up, and we'll just we'll make the structure of it. So if that's our goal, let's just start off by changing the title. We want this to say Madlib. Okay, and then our title is a header that's actually inside the body. Leave that JavaScript there, tag. There's no reason to get rid of it for now. So h1 Madlib, and that's all we need for that, I think. H1. We'll kind of take a look what it looks like after doing a couple of them. There was a horizontal rule after that. And then what do we have? So horizontal rule. This looks like a different header. These two headers actually look the same. So I'm going to call this, we'll do H2 for that one. And this will be the Madlib instructions. Okay. And what else? Okay, to me this looks like a paragraph. And then we've got a list. So we'll just use a paragraph for that. Okay, so my paragraph is fill in all of the input boxes. Then click the Madlib button. Okay. That's good for that one. Now, these don't have numbers here, they're just bullets. So it's part of a list. So because they're just bulleted, it's going to be UL, unlisted. And now underneath this, I can put every different bullet that I want. So my first element of my list was a plural noun. And that's all I need for that one. I want a space there. And for now, I'm just going to leave it like that. You know, we haven't looked at what this looks like in a while, so let's just check. Madlib, horizontal rule, instructions, yeah, paragraph, and there we go, it's unbulleted. So, yep, looks pretty good. Okay, so we got adjective, present tense. So let's just do the other ones then. So these are another list. What did we say? We had adjective, and there was present tense, verb, and there was one more bullet, and it was a noun. Okay, so noun. Alright, let's see what that looks like. Only, which one's not showing up here? Oh, weird, I didn't put a tag there. Okay. Present text. Hey, there we go. Okay, so we've got our 4 different bullets. Now we do have an input on each one of these. Now last time we used inputs, they were numbers. This time we want it to be text. And so to do that, I'm just going to put in my input and choose the type. So I want someone to be able to type in text into that. And that's all we need. Let's just check one, make sure it works. Yep, perfect. So we have to do that for each one of them. Do make sure it is inside the list line. Okay, so now we've got 4 of them. Oh, those look really squished together. But that's a margin thing, that's not HTML. So I think we're okay there. Now we're done the rest of that list. So let's go back and actually close that out. Okay. And now we have a button that says Madlib. So we're going to make that its own paragraph. And we'll say it is a button. And what we're going to write in there is Madlib. Close that button out. Okay, make sure that worked. Perfect. Again, doesn't look the same. What's after that? We got a horizontal rule, and then I think I said these 2 headers look like they're the same. So that's an H2 that we were using for that. So let's go horizontal rule, and then we've got an H2. I'm not sure what I wrote in there now. Okay, madlib results. Okay, so that's going to be H2. Should look pretty similar to what we have. And then we just have the results. Now, this little line around is CSS. And so really all we have left actually is just to put a paragraph with that in there. So one more paragraph. And I'm going to cheat a little bit here. I'm going to just copy and paste. I already have it written out. So there are too many blank on this blank airplane. I screamed. Somebody has to get on the blank to solve this problem. Now, because this is a multi-line, that's how I wrote it, I'm actually going to let the paragraph have its own line. That's just for organization. It doesn't change anything. So if I hit run, there we go. I think we have all the HTML. We do. The rest is CSS.